Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can watch football matches live on your mobile device. So this doesn't matter where you live in the world, this will allow you to watch any football games directly on your mobile device, and you can actually stream them to your computer or your TV as well. So let me show you exactly how to do this. Now the first step you want to do is just go ahead and get on your mobile device. You guys will notice I am on an iPhone, but it works for Android as well. So go ahead and open up your internet browser and be sure to watch until the end of the tutorial so you guys don't get confused or anything like that. Now I am on Google. We're going to go ahead and search for this website right here. It's going to be called Coupon Gurus and then .org. There we are right there. Just go ahead and type it in just like that and then go ahead and hit search. Now once you go ahead and search it, click the site right here. And now we are on the official website. Now, you might be wondering, like, what are we doing on this Coupon Gurus website? Well, this website offers different coupons for different services, and one of the coupons that they're currently offering is for ESPN Plus. If you guys are not familiar with ESPN Plus, it's basically a paid subscription which you can use to watch any live sports. There is no ads either, so it's going to be a premium subscription that usually costs money. But there is a promotional code that they're offering for 6 months, and you can get basically ESPN Plus for 6 months, and there is only 3,000 codes still available. But the cool thing is you can redeem more than one code, so you guys can basically rack up unlimited ESPN Plus for free. So let me show you how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and click show coupon. And right here it's going to say unlock code, so you just go ahead and click unlock code and you're going to be taken to the ESPN code unlocker. Basically it's just going to make you complete a quick human verification just to make sure you haven't already received a code prior. So I guess this is the only way to prevent robots and like spammers and stuff, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to scroll down. It's going to have all these different apps right here. Go ahead and click on one of these apps. And before we do that, read the instructions. So it says download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. These ones want you to get to a certain level. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this one first. And I've already installed it, so that's why it's going to say just open. But usually you're going to have to click download, and it is completely free. Just go ahead and open up the app, and we're just going to leave it open for about 30 to 40 seconds. Just go ahead and leave the app open. And then once you guys receive your code, you can actually uninstall these apps from your phone. So you don't need to permanently have these random apps on your phone. Just go ahead and leave it open, and then we can go ahead and close out. Okay, so I just completed the first one. It does say you need to complete 3, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right now, finish up 2 more of the offers, and then I'll be back and show you how to actually redeem your code. Okay guys, I'm back. I just completed the Family Island and the Bingo Bling. It actually took, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 minutes to complete. But a cool thing is there's a little chat room right here, so if you guys are having any issues, you should be able to solve any problems. But yeah, I'm done with all 3. So what you want to do now is click on your tabs, and right here there is the Coupon Gurus site. Now you guys will notice the code is still like blurred out. Once you go ahead and go back, the full code will be unlocked. And all you need to do is copy the code and just redeem it directly onto the official ESPN application. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, see ya.